Hey guys, so today I am making a duck chicharrone taco. So here I have a duck breast. I'm cutting the skin off. I'm gonna put it aside and make chicharrones out of it later. And then I cut the duck meat into strips. Now I'm gonna marinate my duck meat with some chili powder, cumin powder, garlic powder, oregano leaves, salt, zest, and juice of half an orange. Plastic wrap and leave in the fridge. Next I grab my duck skin, I cut them in strips. Here I throw the duck skin into a cold pan. Then I start up the heat. I do this because I don't want the skin to burn and so the skin could crisp up and cook nicely and evenly. And since my floor is slightly uneven, the oil in this pan is going to pull up on one side. So I slide the duck skin off to one side and slowly let it fry in its own fat. So once it's nice and crispy, I put it on a paper towel and I let it absorb all the fat. And I set the duck fat aside to save for later. I also season it with some salt. Then I start on my Pico de Gallo. I start dicing up my tomato. Rough chop of cilantro, leaves and stems. Quarter of an onion. Juice of half a lime. Some oregano, cumin powder, and some salt. I give it a taste here, and then I realize I forgot my serrano pepper. Now I get ready to fry up the duck meat. I heat up the pan that I had the duck fat rendered in, and I throw in the raw duck meat. Make sure to stir it every so often so it cooks evenly. Once there's no more pink, I drain out the duck fat. Let it cook a little bit more so it gets crispy. I drain it on a paper towel and then set it aside. Now I'm going to start on my tortillas. I do 2/3 of a cup of the corn flour, a 1/4 cup of water. I mix it with my hand until it incorporates well and forms into a ball. And then I divide it into 4 equal pieces. Here I have a Ziploc bag that I cut in half. I'm going to use this as my press. I put the dough ball in the middle of the Ziploc bag and I cover it. Then I use my plate and I gently push it down and put equal pressure all around the tortilla. I gently peel it off and I set it aside. Then I continue on with the rest of the other 3. Here I'm going to heat up my pan to a low to medium heat and gently put my tortilla in. I wait until it bubbles up and then I give it a flip. Then I cook it about a half a minute more and I take it off the heat. I start cooking the other remaining tortillas. Here I start slicing up some radish and start assembling my tacos. First the duck meat, the chicharrones, some sour cream, my sliced radishes, and then my pico de gallo. For more smokiness and added heat, I put some Cholula. And there you have it, my duck chicharrone tacos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.